Hi guys, what's up? And in today's video, we're either going to be playing Risk of Rain 2 or Synthetic. And I've been sorry I've been gone for so long, but finally I got good laptop. But anyways, if we do end up playing Risk of Rain 2, big shout out to my brother, since he did get the game for me. Alright, anyways, we're gonna do a coin flip and alright. Let's do head, synthetic, tails, Risk of Rain 2. And no, I did not already flip a coin. Alright. Wait, heads or synthetic. Okay, yeah. Alright. So, we're playing Risk of Rain 2. But, again, shout out to my brother. And, yeah, make sure to smash that like button. Hit the bell. And subscribe for more awesome content like this. And I've actually have played this game a little bit. My least favorite class is the melee guy, because he's garb. But my favorite is probably the archer. Since I have 4 more. Alright, single player. And this guy is like playing Fortnite. Actually, I think I'm gonna play him this time. I was playing this last time, but yeah, I think I'm gonna play this guy. Alright, normal. This is actually only my second day playing this though. And I have gotten a few achievements. Yeah, fun. And if you guys don't know what the premise of this game is, basically on each level you have to like find a teleporter. You have to find a teleporter. Dang, that's still loud. And once you find it, you have to fight off a boss, and it'll send you to the next level. Okay, that's better. Oh, that's good. All these are good. Okay. And you have to fight off enemies while trying to find it, and the longer you're there, the harder the game gets. Where are they at? Oh. I'm kind of still just playing synthetic. Might play a little bit after this. Uh-oh, that's like an elite one. Oh. That frozen. Okay, we got our first drone. My last drone I got 8. Alright, I got this. This guy with this kind of OP since he kind of just... The strat is just do this so you can move super fast with this character and the item. You gotta find more items though. Oh, there's like a printer. Got some coins. Chest. Gasoline. Killing enemy ignites other enemies. Alright, that's pretty good. But I think I'm gonna take the crowbar. Deal bonus damage to enemies above 90% health. I'm gonna get as many crowbars as I can for this round. I'm too fast. Oh wait, how am I almost already dead? I might be cooked, guys. No! I'm still kind of bad at this game. This guy's kind of just garb. This guy's really garb. Alright, I'm just gonna put this guy in. Oh, it's a bounce pad. How do I only have 90 health? I'm looking for something. Okay, bro. Why do those guys here? Am I playing on hard? Yeah, actually no, I'm just gonna play on hard. And you know what? I'll also try this guy too. Around monsoon. Feels like I'm playing Fortnite again, bro. How's that one not die? Oh, I hate those guys. Gambling shrine. Alright, energy drink. How do I sprint in this game? Hold up. Well, I didn't even know you could sprint. Oh, I'm not cooked. Where's the boss room? Headshot, headshot. Too easy. No! If I died to... Bro. I'm gonna try that again. Alright. Or speedrunning teleporter. Speedrunning teleporter. Alright, that's pretty good. Item. Alright, I don't have any allies. Oh wait, if I got drone though. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Oh, boss room. Should be easy. Okay, like one of my entire abilities is useless now though. Oh, what? What was that attack, bro? I swear I'm not this bad at the game. That attack should not have done. Oh, no damage. Speedrun. Watch the speedrun. Fastest ever speedrun of the game. Why is it not here? Okay. Oh, what? I didn't know that was one of those chests. Alright, at least we got a drone. We gotta find some items. Gambling shrine? No! Too easy. Oh, so I'll eat one of those. Too bad, no, it's a dead one of those. Oh, another one of these. Oh, I'm taking... Should I take that? Nah. Since my thing already does have a bunch of those. I need that one dragon egg one, that's what I need. What was that? Oh, red chest, red chest. Alright. We need to find more items so I can turn them into energy drinks. That's gonna be my strategy. I'm not gonna turn this one to energy drink though. Oh, find the chest. Oh, but it's green. I need more. Oh, another drone. Got 2 healer drones now. Where's the teleporter? Finally. I'm just gonna see how fast I can get this character to go. Here's where I spawned. No, why'd I use that? Alright, well, no. Since we have me fast. Okay, it's medium mode, and I can tell it is because what is this? Action real close. Where is the teleporter? I don't see it. We've been here, been here, been here. Where's the teleporter? I've been there. I haven't been up there. Maybe that's where it's at. Yep. Dang, my guy's drippy. Another one of these, another one of those. Too easy. Find an electric. This boss fight was a little too easy. But that was not a speedrun though. Took 10 minutes. I'm trying to shoot at my drones. I have 2 gunner drones, 2 gunner turrets, and 2 of those. Yeah, going. Alright, it's almost ready. See, I told you guys I wasn't bad. I was just getting unlucky. Alright, we're teleporting. I think it's gonna be hard mode when we get there. Very fun. Oh, it looks like I unlocked a new character. Oh, not this again. I was here for like hours last time I did this. Oh well. Must be done. Yep, hard mode. Oh. Close one. Not these. Oh, I one-tap them though. I was worried for nothing. Loot crate? If this goes... Okay, I thought I was gonna go into a void. I'd have been mad. Okay, nothing there. Oh, I can't get up there. We'll take the gambling shrine though. Personal shield generator and stun grenade. Alright. Good. I need more minions. Is that chest? No. I'm like invincible at this point. Oh. Yep. There's a bunch of item things. Take more armor. I will be invincible soon enough. $188. Hefty price. Alright, I'm gonna win a little bit. Okay, who shot me? Those wisps gonna go through the walls. Alright. Oh, another one of these. Gambling shrine again. I need more minions. Where are my minions? Do I have enough? Yes. Are you kidding me, bro? I'm gonna rage quit. Are you kidding me, bro? I'm gonna do this again, because if I lose again, I will be mad. You gotta just shoot my drum. I'm not happy. Oh, look how fast I am. $124. Are you joking me? Let me out! Alright, I think that's a barrier. Alright. Finally! You wanna see how many tries that took? Wow, that's a red jellyfish. What do I get out? Oh, I didn't even see. Oh. Okay, I don't think I've been here before. Oh, we're on very hard mode. Take a chance. Don't think I've been here before. Alright. Do I see anything here? I don't. Man, I thought there was gonna be teleported here or something, but there's not. Oh, there's the teleporter. Dang, I move fast. I don't need a rusty key. Barely even saw that. Another healing drone. That's pretty good. Oh, one of my gunner drones is almost dead. That is not good. Steak. Alright. More for my tank mode. And I think I will be activating the boss. What's this? I'm almost dying to a fall damage. How am I dead? It wasn't your time to die. A beetle guard, really? Alright, well I thought that was pretty good. Time alive. Deaths 1. You can die multiple times. Oh, mini damage out 31. Mini kills 131. Oh, how did they... That doesn't make sense. Unlocked over. Oh, we got a new knife. Really fine nails. What? Zoom forward. Yo, this is actually an insane character. Alright. Oh. I guess I'll see you guys next time. Probably gonna make a synthetic video after this. Alright, but make sure you guys have a good day and make sure to subscribe and like. Bye.